What's going on YouTube? Mike here again. The crew is here. If you guys can check out our t-shirts. Guys, our new Locomotive Crucial Creations front and back tees. Only black, you know what I mean? Because that's all we wear. It's color black.
Right.
It's in the website, down below our merch site. So check those out. We got the all motor behind us. And we have someone here standing tall and alive. Carlos back in action. How you feeling, brother?
What's up, dudes? I'm a lot better.
Dude, everyone was asking about you, bro.
I know.
We had a scary. I heard
Take
about
the floor
the
mats out. It was
floor
bad.
mat. I know. We're gonna get to that.
You'll get a story.
You'll get the story. We'll get the story later because that's a whole nother video regarding the Skyline that went viral, and we got a little surprise about that one. But we got Jenna back here.
Work. Come check out Jenna.
If you guys don't know, that's the new name of the car.
Hey.
What does it mean?
It's Jenna from Forrest Gump, but spelled Jen N A, like all motor.
Naturally aspirated. Anyways, we're finishing up right now. We got a few little parts that we're waiting for right now, but we're still waiting for the track to open up. Because
When is that?
yeah, when is the track opening up? So anyway, we're waiting for a track day to open. Dude, if the track doesn't open and this coronavirus thing keeps going, I'm gonna have to get like those draggy, what are they called? Draggy
Oh, the little
GPS sensor
yeah.
that gives you the,
So we can
if
see
you
what
guys
we're
don't know,
doing.
Draggy, reach out to us, hit us up with a sponsorship. We'll go down the track in Mexico, and see what it hits there.
Test it out, yeah.
Because I heard it's pretty accurate, right?
Let's see.
We'll find out.
It's
You know.
GPS track.
What's up, dude? What's wrong with it?
The mount is not aligning properly. It's crooked, but I took it off and it looks like it's crooked. So we're gonna try to align. If you look at it
We look at it from what direction?
from here,
Okay.
you see the mount straight and the bracket is curved down.
Yeah.
So I need to loosen it and see if I can't get it to straighten out. I mean, obviously when I put this together, I just tightened it. I never did it, you know, in the car because it sucks to get to these bolts.
So you want to do a loose to see if we can
Mm-hmm.
watch it. I'm always scared of your knuckles when you do that, brother.
I know, right? Yeah, it's over.
Oh, okay.
So that's why. So let's line it up.
That's why they
over
say
there.
never tighten them up, right?
Yeah, but it's a pain, dude. Like trying to tighten it in there, dude. It's so tough, like, cause they're blocked. It's completely like housed. It's the golden ticket, Johnny.
I was about to say, I was like, Chinese failed us again.
You want to talk about
I want to talk about this.
So I was, you know, high, bored in quarantine. And
Bro.
you know what? I guess
Bro.
I can do something.
Did you clear coat this yet?
Yeah.
Hey man, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Yo, this is the quarantine valve cover right there, guys.
Don't hate, okay? I haven't done that since I was like 13 years old. Knock it off.
He went like, this is like was your desk back when 6th grade or something.
Exactly, yeah. That's what kind of.
No, that's pretty cool. Look, K-Power. I don't know, like the bottom looks like, it looks like it's got a sun, but then it's like, is that a Corona or is that
It's okay. So let me tell you exactly what happened. So there's no
Describe
hiding.
this
Let
masterpiece.
me tell you what happened. I bought paint markers.
Okay,
First of all, they were shit, not like
Okay.
what we used to have. But
they weren't the good kind.
they weren't great. So I started with the Rising Sun.
Okay, Rising Sun.
It started
JDM.
here, whatever. But then I ran out of ink.
Okay.
So I went and bought another kit, and I still realized that it wasn't going to be enough.
Okay.
Even with the second kit to finish them all in red. So I added yellow to the finishing of the Rising Sun, which, whatever. I mean, right? It's a freestyle, so it doesn't matter. I really like the way this came
Hey,
out.
man.
I wish I would have done this on the front,
You know what I mean?
but it's cool.
It's all good. Look,
It is what it is.
bro.
Work, right?
It works,
It looks
dude.
good. It's decent.
What do you guys think? No one.
You guys like it or not really?
I don't know if they're.
It's different for sure, but
Bro.
hey, we can always change it.
But look at that. Look at it.
Looks
Inches in.
amazing.
Can we lift
hold
it?
on.
Let's lift it. There we go. That's what I forgot, man.
Yeah.
No, I forgot to paint this.
Oh, I'll do that.
But whatever.
It's not even on.
It's not even on.
There's tape behind it.
It's true. Bro, it's in there.
She's suspended.
She's
That's for sure. Finally. Oh, there we go. We get a little bit of.
We getting a little motion there? A little motion in the ocean?
Oh yeah. That'll get it. Well.
Ooh, we got the lip on. Look at that. Bro, look
She's in the game, bro.
She's in.
Well, that hood closed.
Huh?
They're going that hood closed.
I don't know. Now we got those spacers on it like mine, but.
I got spacers.
Yeah.
You think this is gonna close? Oh yeah, wait. Let's go slow. Don't mess up the valve cover.
Nope. What hits? Valve cover.
Yeah.
Valve cover?
Oh, yeah.
Hits right there. Go down. Down slow.
You'd have to cut the webbing.
Is it the webbing?
Yeah.
Yep. Looks like it's the webbing.
But we can put the spacers on it. I ain't worried about it.
Spacers? Will spacers work without cutting the webbing? Or you have
Yeah,
to
that's
cut
how
it.
I did mine.
I got one set left.
See what happens.
Do you want the? Should we face them in and out? BWR out or in?
I don't think it matters, does it? We can
Face them out.
run them out.
Oh wait, never mind. Face them the other way so people see the BWR. There you go.
On the inside, right?
Why not? Right? They're name brand supposedly. You guys help?
Name
You guys
brand.
need help?
Name brand aluminum, baby. That works.
There it is. How do you feel?
Amazing.
It's in. We got an engine in it. One step close. Yeah. How low is the oil pan? How low? Does it
Not
stick
at all.
further down
No.
than the traction bar?
No, it's the same setup as the race car, pretty much. It's the same kind of height. It looks perfect, dude.
All right, G.
Perfect.
I'm at the jet, dog.
Nah, we're good. It's in there.
It's in there. Swimwear. We got to do the custom battery box in this thing too.
Yeah, we bought the battery. Put a bolt-on cap on it, you know, or something like that, so we can take the battery out if we need to.
We need to find a piece of steel.
Definitely a car. Wait. Alternator?
Yeah.
We're
There you
gonna
go,
try
buddy.
to. There you go.
No more alternator.
Yeah.
That's sick. And it can come this way, right there.
Yeah, we might have to trim. We could trim this little bumper a little flat.
Dude, that's sick.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, we can
Or
cut this.
you can cut this corner, yeah. This corner
And
right
bring
here.
it,
Just
so
squeeze
we
it all
can
the way
bring it
over.
all the way in. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever just gets out of the way. Because you know the motor's gonna rock a little.
Uh-huh.
We might have to try to weld something that attaches to.
To stabilize it.
To stabilize it?
That'd be sick if we can make one of those. We can just make one from the. They use these two bolts on the bottom of the tranny, and then they just come out here. Then we do one of those adjustable. Oh, you know what?
What's up? How you wanna do that?
Oh, you're supposed to use this hook like right here, like so, on one of those bolts.
Ah.
Done. And then we weld the bracket literally to there.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? And then I can adjust it here.
Yeah. Whatever. We'll make something, dog.
Perfect.
All right, we get a weight bar up in here. Well, not really a weight bar, but go. All right, guys, if you guys were wondering what we're doing, mounting that. There you go. Perfect, bro.
Sweet.
See?
Oh, that's not bad. It fits pretty well.
See? That's awesome.
Dope. And then I got these that I ordered for your truck. But they sent me the wrong one, so I'm gonna use these on here for fun.
Oh, what is that for?
There's this little like gussets,
Oh, sick.
just to make it a little bit.
Just to make it cooler?
Yeah.
And it's pretty level, like you just tack it right there. You're
Yeah,
really
dude.
good.
It's perfect because I'd rather tack it to the bumper line
Yeah,
than anything else.
perfect.
Hell yeah. That's
Hell
dope.
yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Let's get it tacked up. Let me get the welder ready. There you go. It's plenty. What's going on YouTube? Mike here again, another video. Gen A right here, our all-motor, cheapest 10-second build. We are calling it Gen A, if you guys are wondering, Gen NA. Somebody in the comment section below in a previous video named our car If you are that person, give us a call or give us a shout out. Email, Instagram, whatever. We'll send you a free t-shirt. But we love that name. If you guys don't know, it's a throwback from Forrest Gump, Jenny. So anyway, our all-motor build is almost complete. I wanna give you guys a runaround of what's been going on since all this Corona stuff happened. Everything's been going on pause, but we did some cool updates on the all-motor build. Hopefully, guys, Jenny will give you some concepts and ideas for you to do on your all-motor car. But let's go ahead and check it out. So anyway, guys, right now I need to weld a plate right here. I need to weld a plate right here in order to mount all the fuel components, the fuel filter, and the fuel pump. I'm using a inline fuel pump. I need a plate to weld onto the bottom right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Guys, here's the finished product. If you guys are wondering, here it is. So we needed a solid base in order to mount our fuel components. So this should give us somewhat of a space. We're done. All right, let's check her out right here.
Wow,
Boom!
Bro, I'm like in love though. Like, you don't understand.
It is crazy. Crazy. Check that out, guys.
It's been like, what, 6 years since my last all-motor build?
Dude, it's so sick. Let's do the tour, bro. Dude, we have the intake manifold, everything on. Let's do the tour. Let's do the tour.
So we got intake manifold, cut, poured it inside. You can't see it now, but if you watch the videos, you'll know. Not really an AEM.
This is a knockoff AEM
but
from
it
eBay.
says AEM, okay?
We're gonna take the sticker off. That ain't gonna.
It's got like a little, I don't know what's going on here. We got to tighten it, whatever. But it's cool because it houses the wires inside. It's pretty neat. Okay, so then we got a Aeromotive knockoff.
Aeromotive eBay knockoff. Booyah.
Sick, bro.
But it looks like it. It looks exactly
Dude,
like
it.
it.
It looks good.
We still got to
It looks
make
good.
the hoses, the fuel line hoses. That's what we're waiting for right now. If we have them, we could start this baby. But we're just doing the tour right now.
Right.
Keep
so
going.
we got skunk tooth throttle body. We got our little sensors on and bolted up, and all the little conversions done. Our radiators mounted in. We got
Radiator was a used radiator you got.
Yeah.
What'd you pick that up for? I forgot.
Dude, I think it was like 50 bucks. I don't know. I can't
50
remember.
bucks. This is used, but we painted it. We painted it. This is a used Skunk 2 Alpha.
Yeah.
That Carlos got.
I got it from
But
Robert.
we use this on the Stanker frame, so we transferred some of the parts in the Stanker frame and this just to not buy everything twice.
yeah.
Why? You know what I mean?
Right.
We got our eBay fuel cell. Look at that eBay fuel tank setup.
That's like the favorite part. Like, where's your fuel tank? Right here, bro.
Boom.
There's
2.5
nothing like that.
gallon.
Yeah.
Perfect for all motor.
Yeah.
Perfect for just going down the track like 1 or 2 hits. I think you gotta keep refilling it after that.
No, I think we're good. Yeah.
That thing was like $48.50 shipped. Our converted traction bar, eBay traction bar.
With the super bar.
With the
Look at
super
that.
bar,
It's like
we
the add-on
customized
super
it to
bars.
add like a weight bar and to mount this. So this is $70 for the traction bar, and then we just took some scrap metal tubing, bent it, put a little plate here. I welded it. You see the video before while I was welding it.
And then we got our hub.
So this is our fuel system, if you guys are wondering. All right, let me get the good lighting. This is our fuel system. This is a eBay inline filter. Forgot what I paid for it. I'll look it up later. And this is also a Walbro inline 255. So instead of you guys know about the 255 that goes in a tank. This is an inline. Right now I'm waiting for an aluminum line to bend a U shape to connect them, and then we're gonna come out to here, and then we're gonna feed up to here, and then the return is gonna go back down and to this top. So
Perfecto. Short distance.
what else is?
What do you mean? What else?
Oh! Awesome.
Man, check that out.
So this is Carlos's Odyssey battery. Was it? Oh no, was that it?
Yeah, Odyssey.
Yeah, this is Carlos's Odyssey battery from his Cabron K. We just bought a mount. They sell an aluminum plate mount. Oh, go ahead, peel it, bro. Peel it, peel it, peel it. It's like the freaking sticker
dang.
when you get from your iPhone.
Oh man, it's like a new toy.
It's like, dude, peel the plastic, bro.
Dog, how satisfying.
See?
Is
Look,
that?
look, now that's like a clean. Look at that.
Man. Oh man.
Get that, get that. Anyway, this plate you can get, it's only like 20, 30 bucks. I'll put a link here. So we decided to mount the battery here. We want the most amount of weight in the front because we took off the fuel tank. And why is it important, Chris, that we put all the weight in the front?
We want to try to get as much traction.
Okay.
So by adding weight to the front or over the front tires, usually it helps with the 60 foots. And this car is not really going to be a street car, more like a drag car, like track car. Carlos will probably drive it here and there, but with that fuel cell, I don't think
Right, he's gonna
very
get
far.
down the block, and then he's like, okay.
I'll carry 5 gallons in the whip with me.
Right. So
Y'all gonna see it.
our purpose was to just get as much weight in the front as possible. It helps with traction. We need all the help we can get, being all motor. Like we said, we have a ported K20 head that we got from the hood for 75 bucks.
Ported by Carlos.
Ported by Carlos. We have stock cams, and then we have our K24 block with upgraded cast pistons. They're like wannabe Type R's. We upgraded the oil pump to a K Type S, and then
Ported the oil pump.
yeah, we ported the oil pump because this one we're going to be revving it high, 9,000. We bought a transmission in pieces. Carlos, what did you get the transmission for in pieces? You paid just the towers was 200. I think it was like 400.
Right.
It was like
Yeah,
400.
400, yeah.
It was like 400. So the casings, we bought the casings, and then we bought the towers for 200. But yeah, anyway, we got
cheap and beautiful. I mean,
that's it.
it's crazy what it turned out, like how it turned out. I can't wait to start it. It's gonna sound
I know, dude.
sexy. The header, dude.
Oh yeah. We got one last piece here. The headers are they hanging off still?
Yeah, they're about to fall off.
They're barely on there.
Careful.
They're barely on there. If you guys are wondering,
back on.
this header was a 1320 performance. I think that's what it's called, right?
Yeah, 1320.
1320, and it's like a knockoff. I want to say like our crew or something like that, some type of header. You know, one of the famous headers.
The big tube header.
Big tube headers. So that thing I paid, I think it was like
slip-on.
300, like some around $300 for.
It's a slip-on style. It's nice.
So this is the setup that we're gonna run to try to go and hit 10s. The car is super light, like I said. Dude,
It should get down, dude.
she's gonna get down.
Nasty.
So
Super nasty.
anyway, guys, we are tidying her up. We're gonna plan to get her started, and then we plan to hit the track once it opens.
Nasty.
All right, guys, please like, please subscribe, until next video. Hit up the merch site. Till next video, take care. Peace.